Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in.
Hello, welcome back everyone. So what am I doing today? I'm gonna try and do some blooms. And I'm very much a beginner. So will it work? Will it not work? Whatever I get, I'll be happy with because I'm just a beginner, like I said. So try different color combinations and see how I go. I'm going to do this one in the blues and in the green colors, and we'll see how we go. So let's see. And I am using Venom Arts recipes, so we'll see whether it works for me, because like I said, I'm just a beginner. Right, so I'm doing it all in the blues, and this one here is like a turquoise color. Then I'm going to add green. And it's quite a vibrant green, this one. And all the colors are a mixture of Sonia transparent colors and mica powders, which I got from Harry and Wilma. They have a huge variety that you can get from them. Some yellow now, and this is a very beautiful, vibrant yellow. And now on top of that, I'm going to add some gold. And on this gold, I've got some interference gold, which I also got from Harry and Wilma. Just remember that I'm very much a beginner on this, so don't know that it will work or whether it won't, but I follow a few pouring art artists, and of course, like I said, I'm a beginner, so but practice makes perfect, doesn't it? And I am using Australian Fortran. So let's give it a shot. We can only try. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. so this is it. It's quite pretty. I'm really happy with that. And I'm gonna start with, no, I'm going to start with this one here. Now I'm going to go on to the purple. And now I'm going to do the floral. Such a beautiful floral. And I don't know whether I should do my cell activator white on this one. I've done most of them in black, so I might do white on this one and see how it goes. And here it's hoping that it works, isn't it? So I think I have to blow a little bit in the middle. I want it going this way a little bit. Go like that. That in there. I think I'm really liking this one. I'm quite happy with this one. Let me know what you think, guys. I think probably this is one of the ones that I like the most. I'm going to do a little round one this time. Purple. A thin pillow, which is what I did on the previous one, and I think it worked better. But the mica powders are quite reasonable because I'm getting them from Harry and Wilma here in Australia. And the paints are all Sonia paints and Amsterdam. It's a very tiny one. I'm not going to do any more to it, but I really am liking more the white cell activator than the black. But look at that. I really like this one here. And once they are dry, I will resin them. So, they've been drying now for about a week, as you can see. The white cell activator, I think it's my favorites is the ones with the white cell activator. I don't mind this one, but I noticed that you have to be careful that your pillow hasn't got lumps, because I had one in here and I only noticed once it was dry, so I couldn't do anything with it. Right, so now I'm going to do a top coat on them and see what they look like after I do a top coat. And of course, like I said, these are my first blooms. Tickle pink that I got something. But of course, practice makes perfect, so I need to do a lot of practice before they become really what they should be, put it that way. Let me know which one you like best. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical.